Welcome to xtreamfx Global Academy, where we are creating a new Wall Street. Now, who are the founders of xtreamfx Global Academy? We have four. It's Dynamite Sloan, Reagan Lynch, Megan Lynch, yes, they are twins, Jacob Mickle. Now, between the four of them, they have over 56 years combined experience in this industry. And in xtreamfx Global Academy, we have an innovative trading platform with an intimate classroom feel. We're the only company that have a youth academy. So not only can you learn to trade here, your youth can as well. And we are headquartered right here in the United States, and our company is 100% debt-free. Now, our mission. xtreamfx Global Academy aims to awaken, activate, and accelerate the potential growth of all people around the globe through personal and business development, financial literacy, and of course, education. Now, our vision. Our vision here is to create 1,000 six-figure and seven-figure earners and become the premier education and entrepreneur platform in the world by providing a roadmap to financial success. Now, we all know that ownership is the key to generational wealth. Now, how do we get there? By utilizing and focusing on the 4 P's and serving our common unity. The first P is people. We are proudly serving communities all around the world, creating a global impact to thousands of students and entrepreneurs around this globe. Now, we also focus on the product. The product is financial literacy. You're going to learn the skills you need for a more financially secure life, learn about financial technology, Forex, banking, savings, credit education, and more. And we utilize a simple process because we know that success always leaves clues. So we provide you with a detailed roadmap to success and simple guidelines that anyone in any age can follow to ensure a clear pathway. And then we have profits by showing you multiple streams of income. We provide a simple yet aggressive compensation plan designed for maximum growth and financial acceleration, allows you to tap into the multiple streams of income that we provide here. Now, a disclaimer. xtreamfx Global Academy cannot and will not ever make any guarantees about your ability to get results or earn money with any of our programs, right? That is strictly dependent upon you and your work ethic. Now, we all know what the world looks like today. It's in a financial crisis. You have interest rate hikes. We have runaway debt, rising unemployment, bank bailouts. What I want you to focus on is what is the next economy and how you can leverage that. So here, the next economy is the foreign exchange market, aka Forex, financial literacy, and education entrepreneurship. Now, what do we offer here in xtreamfx Global Academy to help you reach that? We offer Forex education, HFX and binary options education. We have one of the top educators in our US 30 Academy for those that are more advanced. We offer financial solutions that show you what to do with your income. And then, of course, we offer residual income. Now, what exactly is Forex? It is a foreign exchange market and it's the largest, most liquid financial market in the world, doing an average of $7 trillion per day, including cryptocurrency. Statistics show that less than 1% of the world participate in the Forex market because they don't know how and because they don't know that they can. So good thing that you're here. Now, with the Forex market, there are no special requirements. All you need is a computer or Wi-Fi or tablet and Wi-Fi. You definitely need your Wi-Fi access, and it allows you to trade daily, and we're open 7 days per week, including cryptocurrency, and it allows you to profit on the rise and on the fall in the market. Now, how exactly do you trade Forex? We like to give you 6 simple steps. First, you need to get educated. That's what the xtreamfx Global Academy is for. You're going to download a free app called MetaTrader 4. We show you how to choose a broker, and then we also show you how to practice. You have to practice first to learn this in a demo account, and then we show you how to open up your live account, and now you're going on to the learning and earning. So in our Forex Academy, how exactly is it helpful for beginners? We offer walkthroughs. So we give you a new member orientation. We have simple steps for beginners. And we also have a syllabus for you to follow step by step to show you how to reach that success. And then we have the proper foundations we're going to give you. So our academy is archived, right? Every single training that we do is recorded and it's for beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And you're able to do it at your own pace. There's no rush, right? You can go as fast, as slow as you want to. And then we have live education 1 to 3 times per day, Monday through Friday, where you're live training with professionals. And then you also, maybe mention that learn and earn on the last slide. You're able to learn and earn by doing copy and paste trading. Now you're making money while you're learning. And of course, you get trade ideas daily. Now with our copy and paste trading, this is more for the time challenged trader. That means that now you have copy and paste trading for Forex, binary options, HFX, and Nadex, where you're learning how to profit in minutes with our live educators. we have coming soon is metaverse and NFTs, because we want to make sure you're very definitely involved in this new economy. Right now, we already have crypto and blockchain. One of the best educators, has all the certifications. So you're getting the information, knowing how to leverage your crypto market, how to protect your assets and everything, utilizing our simple crypto academy. And then we have fintech. So when you think about fintech, what do you think about? Financial technology. This is where we're now showing you what you should be doing with your money, because now you're creating the cash flow. So now you need to know how to get involved in having the proper credit, right? Alternative lending. Now you're going to start buying properties, real estate, and then of course, overall wealth management. So how do you learn all this? Through education and xtreamfx Global Academy, because we know that education is the key. And we solve all your financial needs by providing multiple streams of income. You have one company with multiple streams of revenue to get you to where you want to be in life. How do we do that? With 7 steps. First, we're going to show you how FX, or foreign exchange market, works. Once you get the cash flow, now we're going to start building on your personal credit. Once you do that, now we're going to switch you over, because you don't want to use your personal stuff for everything. Now we're going to show you how to make a business out of it and build up your personal credit and start to secure business funding. And don't worry, all of this is in-house. We're one company that shows you every single thing you need and have all the tools in-house. We show you how to grow your business fast, and then we show you from there how to invest into real estate and then protect everything and protect your legacy by creating a trust. Now, how do you get involved in that? The first part is the foreign exchange market. So we do have it where if you strictly want to come in here and just learn the skill set, you can. You can come in at $99 to start, and then it goes down to $99 monthly. So what's included with the FX student? You get your FX Academy videos, you get the trade ideas, you get the live sessions, and everything that you need on the Forex side. Now, say you want to come in and you're like, hey, I know a little bit about HFX. I want to learn HFX and the foreign exchange market. You can become a dual student. That's $139 to start, and it drops down to $139 monthly. Now, with this also includes both trade ideas for HFX and the FX Academy. And then say you want to be a trio student, you say, I want to learn every single thing. You're only coming in very affordable, $179 to start and $179 a month. There is no contract on any of this. So with the trio student, you're now getting the FX Academy, HFX, Natives Academy, and you're getting trade ideas for each and last one of them. And you're also getting discounts on our financial literacy products. Now, what I love about it is that we do partner with multiple humanitarian groups. So we have our young moguls. Those are our youth, our academy that's under 20. So remember we said we the only ones with a youth academy. This is what we mean here. And then we also have our Extreme 30-30. Those are entrepreneurs under 30. We teach you everything that you need. And then, like I love to say, it doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter if you're young, old. It does not matter. Seasoned. We have extreme seniorpreneurs. These are people over 50 years old that are learning to trade in this skill set. It doesn't matter your background. We have ex-con to icon. Okay, so if you've been in prison before, the Forex market does not matter, because we are going to show you here that we got homelessness close to home, where our founders, they actually do a lot of things in the homeless community. So now it's no excuse. You're actually able to learn the skill set. Then of course we have teachers trading places. So teachers are learning the skill set as well. Now let's say you want to take this a step further. Like, okay, I want to learn how to trade. But what we also show you is how to make a franchise out of this or become an independent business owner. Well, now you're creating another stream of income, which is residual income, by becoming a franchisee or an independent business owner. Now, what does that look like? So to get started here, well, on the affiliate side, maybe you already have your education side. The affiliate side is the same thing. Only thing now, you're just paying the affiliate fee, which is only paid once per year. Very different from other companies. So if you want to come in as an affiliate and leverage this whole entire academy, it's only $168 to start, and then it drops down to $99 a month. You're still getting everything you were getting in the educational package, just that now the company is able to pay you. Okay, so that's why it's $168. If you want to be the affiliate plus, where you want every single thing, because depending on the package that you have, you get bonuses that's higher. So if you're at the affiliate plus, now your bonus is higher and you're getting everything in the educational platforms as far as FX, HFX. You're still getting all the trade ideas. We give you a personal website to market. Okay, that's $299 to start, drops down to $129 monthly. And then we have our affiliate pro, which is what majority of people go for, is $499 to start. It's your own business, $499 to start in this franchise, and then it drops down to $149 a month. In the affiliate pro, you're getting your HFX, you're getting your FX, you're getting every single thing, still getting the trade ideas, you're getting your personal website, and then you're getting discounts on all our financial literacy products, and plus you're getting the highest bonus, which is $200 every time a person comes in as an affiliate pro with you. Okay, now speaking of bonuses, so we pay the bonuses from $25 all the way up to $200 upfront bonuses. So when you heard me mention on affiliate pro $200, that's $200. So you're basically getting that back. Okay, you're getting it back. So your return on investment, because now we're thinking as investors, you're actually able to get that back with your upfront bonuses. And then we also pay 3 levels of generational bonuses of personal enrollments going from $5 all the way to $20, and that definitely adds up. This is not even with you starting to get compensation yet. That's just from the bonuses alone. So what does the compensation plan look like? First, once you get your first 3, you're now called a tradesman. You are commission qualified, which means now on top of your bonus, you're able to enter into the comp plan. Now, once you get a total of 10 total customers, and that is not on your own, that is your team as well. It's a total, it's a combined. You're now apprentice, you're getting $500. Then if you go to silver, it's 25, the best compensation plan I've ever seen. 25 total customers, you're now at $1,000 per month. But of course, it does not stop there. So the company pays you from $500 all the way up to $1 million per month on top of bonuses, on top of generational bonuses, just from referring people to our academy. Okay, so instead of XtreamFX Global Academy spending the marketing on commercials, anything like that, instead they invest it back into the people. Remember the 4 P's, and now we're paying you. So when you introduce people to our academy, they're doing all the work, they're learning from the academy. You're able to earn upfront bonuses on top of $500 all the way up to $1 million per month. All right, I know that's exciting. So I want you to think about it. Now it's time for the decision. If not now, then when? If not this, then what? If not you, then who? So it's time to make the decision to live extreme and join our XtreamFX Global Academy. Now, if you're ready to get started with us, get back with your sponsor and they will definitely get you started. If you have questions, let us know and let your sponsor know, and we'll get all your questions answered. So that is all for today, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our XtreamFX Global Academy.